1 degree or 0.5. So the results we'll be expecting this morning for Moi girls would be in excess of 99.5%. And if we don't get there, we know that we'll doubt the results. We will know that we didn't work very hard. I want to finish by saying, as you have made this place, indeed your home this morning to release the exams, we are truly very grateful that you have honored us as a constituency and as a county. So I want to thank you very much, because when President Nelson Mandela came out of prison in 1991, this is what he said. He said, and he found South Africans who were very poor in terms of education. They were very ignorant because they were not taught on a number of issues. And he said education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change your world. So, Mr. Minister, as you release these exams, I am sure those who will be receiving the exams, whatever grades they will get, that grade will change their world. Whether they will get a C minus, which, as you know, Mr. CS, I have 2 TTIs in my constituency. I have RVTTI and I have KTTI in Kipkabos. And I'm also completing KMTC in Banforest, which will be opening in August. And so we have very many places where these students will go. So nobody is a failure. Everybody will have succeeded in whatever grade they would have gotten. I thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you very much. Governor, you can come and then recognize your senator, because I can see your senator has come. I would want to recognize the Education Committee members. Honorable Nabi Nabuera, who is here. Toroitichu is also here. I would want to recognize the MP for Soy. DK Kiplagat is here also. So, Governor.
Thank you very much, Bwana PS, our CS and education team.